Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Vocal Image Speech Training app. And yeah, we'll find out if it's actually worth your time or just another overhyped voice tool floating around the app stores. Let's jump right in. So, first off, what exactly does the Vocal Image app do? At its core, it's a voice enhancement tool built for people who want cleaner, better sounding audio without needing a full recording studio. It's mainly for creators, like YouTubers, podcasters, or even musicians recording quick demos on the go. The idea is simple. Make your voice sound polished, wherever you are. Now, let's talk features. One standout is its real-time sound adjustment. It lets you tweak your tone and volume while recording. Super handy when you're trying to cut background noise or balance your voice levels. It also uses smart noise reduction tech to remove unwanted sounds, like hums, echoes, or street noise. Definitely a plus if you record in noisy places. So, what do people actually like about it? First, simplicity. The app's interface is super clean, so even beginners can navigate it easily. Second, clarity. Its algorithm boosts your vocal tone, giving that crisp mic effect. And third, background control. It handles noise surprisingly well for a mobile app. Now, it's not magic. While it does improve your recordings, it won't turn your phone into a pro studio. Most of the advanced features are locked behind a premium subscription. So yeah, if you're expecting full studio quality, this won't get you all the way there. A few users also mentioned that it drains battery faster, especially during long recording sessions. That's mostly because the app runs advanced processing in real time. So it's powerful, but power hungry too. So is the Vocal Image app legit? Yes, it's 100% legit. It's not some shady or fake voice app. For casual users, it's a great balance between convenience and sound quality. Just remember, it's a helper tool, not a full professional studio. And that's the quick rundown on the Vocal Image Speech Training app. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and yeah, see you in the next one.